The Realme 3 Pro comes with Camera2 API enabled. That means you can get GCAM working on it. And with GCAM comes night sight. Now it's early days for the Realme 3 Pro and we managed to get a working port of GCAM running on it. And in this video, let's take a look at how the Realme 3 Pro fared under low light with and without night sight. Hey guys, Ash here from FTJ by C4 Retech and let's get this video started. So before we start, what do you think about the Realme 3 Pro? Impressed with what Realme is offering here? Or do you think they should have offered a little bit more? Let me know in the comments below. And if you do end up liking what you see in this video, don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So first, a refresher of the hardware. The Realme 3 Pro sports a primary 16 megapixel sensor. That's the one we're going to be focusing on today. Now this is Sony's IMX519 sensor, the same one as on the OnePlus 6T. It's coupled with a fast f1.7 lens. Under low light, it does reasonably well. When you zoom in, of course, there is a loss of detail, but that's quite expected even on higher priced phones, so no surprises here. Now, Realme uses Oppo's ColorOS as a user interface, and that means it also manages to get Oppo's super intuitive nightscape option. With nightscape on, the low light performance gets really good. The image is brighter, cleaner, like for example in this scenario, just take a look at the number plate on that car. Occasionally, the Realme 3 Pro does mess up processing and throws up an image like this one, but hit capture again and it produces good results. And this doesn't happen often enough to be an issue. So overall, nightscape seems to be quite impressive. But now, with the GCAM port that we tried, night sight was working and that produced brighter images. It left me hopeful of what could be accomplished because yes, the images were brighter, but not necessarily better. The images were a little shaky and zoomed in, I found nightscape had more detail. But these are early days like I said, and it's impressive to see night sight working this well on the Realme 3 Pro and it should only improve with time. So anyway, here are a few more side-by-sides of all three. So that's pretty much it for this quick little video. I came across this port, thought I'd shoot a little video and share my findings with you. So what do you guys think? Impressed with the Realme 3 Pro's low light capabilities? Can't wait for a better GCAM port. Let me know all about your thoughts in the comments below. Also do let me know if you'd want to see me do more such videos in the future. And I guess that's it for this one. Thanks a lot for watching. Share this video if you feel it deserved a share. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on however you felt. Subscribe and ring that bell please. Thanks a lot for watching. My name's Ash and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.